me ya odi pa ne say Kwasi Nti ne ba me.
Okay, but your man this way.
Kwasi Nti ne ba me. I'm trying so hard.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Be measured because who address your papa difficult. But now I'm okay with all due respect. Me addressing is papa. Me addressing is MPP ni. No be job can sama sebi abeni. Was it Trinity nka yan fa baby nko onko se sia mansa no fa ne nko na nti for me na kuru. Me papa Kwasi Nti. So was it Trinity nka yan kase baby for nko. Onso was esiama. MP esiama second onso ne nsa. No fa nko na for me na kuru no nka njem se for me na fo yi. E Trinity nka yes yan kase baby petimi Kwasi Nti na me se esiama ni papa ni no. Ene ma so ne sa MPP nti be na for me na on try. Ebe no buye no on implement wo for me na for me na fo nyina hu na da pa. Kaza ze na santini za aka sani fe. Sandi obeji me no umrezi Kwasi ana. Is that what you got me santini? Me fi for me now. Ne di share me. Ndi o si santini o se de me Kwasi ana. Ano paso je. Ni MPP ni dia na o de on che wono ana MPP ni kum from na dia na dia ba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Party ni ebi papa man ngoko tutu asase o de monko tutu party ma from na from 90 e bo mu wanted. Asa ka no be nya ka kasa no. Ne party na kasa na dia ba. Bibini black mo nya santini. Nyem radio station no be kasa ma ha ma abreso no 535 workers akufu ado abreso and am bad policies aka no workers 35. Na dwumagu. Nya santini. Ndi party no so fa so ma san for nyamo ya na de badade be ka say otimi import cars containers 8 containers in a year is or import one na santine wo na say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
santifo akode stores o kejetia ama mo party na hwe ama omo nje stores na omo mpia tax ma aban no omo ayekwa mu ma for the sake of elections ama omo ma stores ye nto mo hwe santina mo eso fa so ne say please Uma nyansa anya adwuma. Talk about things you want to do. Talk about those that you have done. This useless unnecessary tribal politics even but ya so na pay bodon say sant for major ni because of
MPP 87.9 Kumasi
ya bodon say sant for mo ma sunlight sant for mo chensen mo famra because of MPP mo ya sant for ni tiana san kwasi asem no we about santini we santini munya isa asem no
there be idea king pass asem they are not doing
nyasa wo ma say because of chief partisan politics somebody is trying to create a tribal wedge hatred nyasa wo ni say
no but also one can't say asante fonko say asante manti obia wo mu bi and together and work on because I push him to that point there tribal
why did you come on here to apologize for all those unnecessary tribal comments listen on two jans obia me no moja e to toja me toja what I say the blood that runs through Kwasi Nti the same blood runs through me Yenya bonse free na nane. None of us is weak. So that thing, let me tell my uncle that thing has no place in modern politics.
Akoma FM
You should solve it. Now why the MPP dey here kwa ma kwa dey ka wana betra we rezu na usu and now dey ka na we call court and now dey na zero banka na dey say na usu na say wa party am obo form say na usu na sa be jabe what I been to unya hypocrite. Me fa nya hypocrite no ba be yawa. So if he's listening
anyway
yes I can tupenyu for me tunu for saka salon jaika
anyway
and after here I'll call him and tell him he should not do that because I'm being measured. I'm being very measured. Then next time he does that thing I will not consider the fact that he's my uncle. I'll find
right
him.
my